Hey Flip Nation, Flip Man here. So finishing up the home stretch here in my Scottsdale Airbnb. So I wanted to give you guys an update and show you around. We are gonna have the pop-up in 2 weeks. It's gonna be on Saturday. So hopefully you guys can make it. I'll be announcing it on social media. It'll be at 10:30 Saturday. So since the last time you guys saw this, the flooring was completed. The vinyl flooring I used in here, it's a waterproof. I get the flooring at Lowe's here. We started buying furniture. Interestingly enough, I found a better way, more economical way to buy furniture. I'm doing that all on my own right now. Actually, my daughter's helping me. She's a teenager and we got the Next Door Neighbor app and it's working amazing. So went on there, got some deep discounts on furniture. The next thing and almost the final thing on this unit is our countertops. Abel, he's been with me about 5-6 years also. Just does countertops, does quartz, granite, does an amazing job. We're gonna be installing the quartz next week, so that'll be our last step here on the Airbnb. We got the bedrooms all set up, the showers all set up, so we're planning on launching this in 2 weeks. The final touches, decor, paintings, all the fun stuff. I love doing that and shopping. And this here came from Next Door app. We got this deeply discounted Bassett high-end furniture store here in the Valley from a family moving out of state. They wanted $750. We ended up paying $6 for the bed frame, the 2 nightstands, and the dresser with the mirror. Very solid wood. I was happy with that purchase. Did some mirrors here I picked up. Finishing up the bathroom. The shower turned out beautiful. We did a high shine on the shower. We picked the darker fixtures, the black, new toilets. Countertops are going in here, the quartz. We did have a little issue here. Nothing major. They just had 1 sink in the master, so we're gonna convert it. Have to rerun some plumbing to make 2 sinks here for the master bathroom. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. We got all the blinds up, all the painting. So let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, hit me up with a DM as always. I'd be happy to help you, talk you through it. We'll be stepping into our next one in Glendale, 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo over by the Arizona Cardinals stadium there. So stay tuned, we'll be showing you that and hope to see you guys at the pop-up in 2 weeks. Peace.